So Joey, this is your first time at a weed bar.
Yes.
So we got, what did we get? Let's show. How does my eye look? Still can't see properly out of this one. My eye look okay?
It looks worse.
It looks worse. It feels worse. Anyway, I'm not gonna be wearing contacts for a couple of days. We got a gram of Canatonic, which was the cheapest one, which was about $9 for 1 gram. We got this. How much was this? 20 baht? 100 baht?
I think it's
100 baht, so $3 for this. And 20 baht, less than $1 for lighter. And they gave us this little tray thing, and then we get pick food, drink. I'm gonna get some ice cream. We just ate a bunch of food. I'm not hungry, but I want to eat a little snack.
I want a beer.
Okay, he's gonna get a beer. Breakfast bar. Okay, let's go get plates. Let's see what it's like. We have 10 minutes before we go on a tour. Coffee. And eggs, sausages, mystery. Oh, I think that may have been like pancakes or something. Did we really miss everything? It's over here. Rice. It's like food. This is like food. Like rice and curry and stuff. I'm kind of disappointed, honestly. I guess I'll have toast. This breakfast wasn't free, by the way. I paid 200 baht per person, I think. And like, the only thing I was gonna eat, because everything else is basically gone, was the toast. And the toast machine just stopped working once I put my toast in. And I'm really mad right now. This food wasn't free, Joey. This wasn't free. It was 200 baht per person.
This came with the... Yes, it did.
No, it didn't.
You paid for this?
Yeah, I thought it'd be worth it if we were going on tours and stuff, because we'd have to leave immediately. We wouldn't be able to stop somewhere.
757.
I'm angry. But anyway, I'm going to try papaya for the first time.
I'm not a fan.
Taste it. Yeah, I really like it, but... It doesn't really taste like anything, right?
It's almost like a tomato, but...
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Ew, I hate tomato.
I love tomato.
Can't even have toasted bread, so here we go with my...
They don't even have baked food.
It isn't a miracle. I wasn't expecting that.
So how many days already in Thailand? So everybody can hear me, right? You can hear me, sir? All right, thank you. Okay, so by the way, I'd like to say good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So welcome. Talking about Kingdom on the fourth of Kingdom of Thailand. Okay, and I don't know where she be originally from.
Yeah, I think he's just showing us.
Really clean water.
I'm gonna drink it.
Look at these weird ass bugs, dude. Yeah.
Okay, everybody here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So can anybody tell me what it is?
Wait.
You know, some of the people that told me the rice field.
Rice field.
Because it's almost the same, right? This is the sea salt farm.
Ah.
Okay, because this place is not too far from the sea. It's about 6 kilometers to the sea. Okay, not too far. In Thailand, we have two kind of salt. We have purified salt and non-purified salt. This one is non-purified salt. Okay. When they like to make a sea salt farm, they have some machine to prepare the soil to make it hot. It's not like we grow the rice. We grow the rice, we need to boil it to make it soft. But to make the salt, we need to make it hot. And then they use the machine to suck the water. They have a long canal for everybody to use the machine to suck the sea salt water to come to their farm. Okay. And after they put the salt water here, and then they will let it die by the sun. Okay, sometimes 20 days, sometimes more than a month. It depends on the sunrise. But this one is the most biggest place for Thailand to produce the salt. Okay, this salt with iodine. If you go to the northeast part of Thailand, they suck the water from underground. Okay, to do the same thing. But
Okay, so we're stopping at this, it's like a train station, and we're gonna take a train to the Maeklong train market. It's a marketplace that's like on the railroad or whatever, and whenever the train comes, like everyone packs up their shit in like 2 minutes and like puts it away for when the train comes, and they put it back out after the train passes. I guess there's nothing really this way. Maybe we should go this way. I can't really see, but I'm actually feeling very grateful right now because I'm scared that I'm gonna lose my vision. So I'm like really grateful I haven't lost my vision yet. It does, but like I'm like, oh god, I'm in a strange country. My travel insurance just expired. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find a hospital that really understands what I'm trying to say. So right now, I'm just feeling grateful that I still have my eyesight. Yeah. So we're gonna walk around here and then take the train and then get a market, and then after that we're going to the floating markets, which is called the Damnian Saduk Market, something like that.
Floating market, that's what it's called.
Well, there's many floating markets.
Let's try to go across this.
No. Okay. I don't know if you're allowed to.
No, I don't want to.
Should we go to that side maybe? Yeah, the train will be right here. Oh, wow, look at that giant snake behind them.
Where you from?
USA.
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 No bite. Yeah. Allow you in it? Yeah. You want? Then you're gonna have to pay for it. You want? You?
No fun.
Nah.
No, I want the snake.
No, I'm taking the snake.
You taking the snake? Let's go in the shade.
มาเป็นย่ามเลย
Come on, the shade. Go in the shade. You can't take any picture, no one.
No, we don't have 300 baht. No. No, thank you.
I thought it was good.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, 200 baht. Snake. Everyone's filming the train. None of us have ever seen a train before.
All right, everybody, back up, please. Be careful. Back up, back up. Back up, please.
They've never seen a train.
I've never seen a train before. At least it goes slow.
It's so quick.
Nah.
Yeah, it's okay. Be on time. Just only 3 minutes.
I got a seat on the train.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah, he pushed me to the front of the line. There's a lot of seats though. Thai salt farm. Yeah, I didn't know salt farm was a thing. I always thought Geographic ruins, quaint little interesting areas of the world. Yeah, but National Geographic really is what. This is a nice little train right there. You want to look?
Yeah, did you want to take a photo of us?
A bus? Yeah. Oh, yeah, I see. We can do that then.
I know, I see him.
I guess we should go on the railroad.
Yeah, we should have.
Alright, we'll go switch over there. Oh, I can't believe the train comes through here.
Yeah, I know.
It's actually crazy.
So you're telling me they move all these up and
Yeah.
ส่วนแนวอ่ะไม่有啦还有很长啊โอเค很长啊ไม่ใช่อะบ้าหรอปะ应该是巴掌น้ำยามากินเป็นหลอด
Oh, it smells like seafood. Oh, that's why. So it smells like seafood. I know, this is insane. Are they really still alive?
Yeah. See that she takes them out, cuts off the head.
Ooh.
They're still wiggling.
Ew. I'm hungry. Mmm. Catfish, you want one? Yeah. You can pay? Joey's gonna have his first coconut. Oh, really? 1 second. How's it? Good? Coconut. Oh, I think a train is coming.
'Don't see a train.
They're getting ready for it.
Can stand one line only behind this. Behind this. One line only. One line. You see him?
Which way do you think it's going?
I think this way. I don't know.
Damn, dude.
What?
We're gonna get close.
There we go. Ooh.
This is very uncomfortable. Alright.
I'm gonna steal those pineapples. Just kidding.
This actually sucks.
No, that's not bad. What do you mean?
If I was fatter, I'd be scared. This could really hurt you, honestly. And that's it. There you go.
And that's a wrap.
All this stuff's gonna be.
Oh, look at everyone trying to get the pictures. This is so cringe.
There you go.
没关系啊，没有火车上的。没了没了，拍这边火车就好了。我呀，这个要拍到你小狗狗耶。要去那个跟那个人拉。
Yeah, it really kind of is. Alright. Yeah, we got to turn around now.
She's a badass bitch. You know you're watching her twitch.